In a recent study released by SEBI, it showed that the people making maximum loss are people who are above the age of 50-60. The reason is very simple. Because by the time you are 50-60 and all, you are used to the old ways. And it is difficult to learn new ways at that time. Technology has passed you by if you did not take. So that is, whereas the new people, and in that context, one more recent data released by SEBI, that the average age of participants in the market in the last, I think, 1 year alone, or maybe 2 years, 1 or 2 years, whatever, has fallen from 39 to 32. Just imagine, in 1 year, the average age fell by 7 years. Which means only one thing, that the vast majority of people who are coming in are all youngsters. And that youngsters are very different from older people. Not only are they technologically aware, many of them are active with technology. I still don't know how to, deal with all the things in the mobile. The best person to fix any problem with your mobile is your grandson, if you have one. They know more about mobile technology today than a 50-year-old man knows. So what does this lead up to? That technology adoption is an absolute must. A lot of people are sitting around thinking that the old ways work for me. Of course they will work for you. Everything will work in the market. Question is, how efficiently is it working for you? All cycles are becoming shorter because technology is speeding up everything. If cycles are becoming shorter, but we are running at the old speed, guess who's going to be left behind? None of us want to be left behind. And in the race with technology, if you are already starting with a deficit, it is your responsibility to work so much harder so that you can at least catch up with the rest. So technology is where everything is headed, whether we like it or not. I am old school. But had I sat in the old school, I may still be drawing charts by hand, which is what I used to do. But I have always believed in technology. So I made the first charting package which was available in India at that time. This was way back in 87 or thereabouts. Because I felt that I used to employ college students to draw charts. इंट्राडे का तो सवाल ही नहीं था उस समय पे. डेली चार्ट, लॉग स्केल चार्ट, वीकली चार्ट, monthly chart, all different for one company. You had to draw, take the data from the paper and all that. Then धीरे धीरे technology entered there also. The exchange started to give out data. That was somewhere around 1990. 1990 भी नहीं, 1992 or thereabouts. तो मेरा प्यून जाता था वहाँ पर on the 13th floor of BSE building is where they could go, where to go with a floppy disk. कई लोग ने इधर floppy disk ही नहीं देखा होगा. So you had to go with a floppy disk, stand in queue, वो डेटा डिपार्टमेंट से फिर लेके आता था, then load it, then do it. Slowly, that changed. Everything delivered online. Charting packages came in hundreds. And technology has been slowly making changes. Around 2015, I felt that market is going to change again. And that is when I thought of developing some software for our own work. The charts were still there and charts had become common. 100 programs were available. There was a stage when I used to own some 40-50 softwares and use them specifically for specific purposes. But धीरे धीरे आज के तारीख में TradingView has become kind of a universal charting software. Everybody is using it. So around 2015-16, I felt that the market is changing again because the type of cycles that the markets were dealing with were becoming shorter. Until 2010 or so, you could do this buy and hold, and it worked like a charm. Worked from the 60s, accelerated from the 70s, got into a bit of a mix in the 80s, and 90s, the boys and men got separated because the institutionalization of market happened. In the 2000s, the early invasion of technology happened. Email, websites, all of that happened. Then in the next decade, 2010 and onwards, by that time, more technology invasion happened. So there was this rapid changes which were happening which needed or demanded adjustments in our own lives. And that is when NeoTrader was born as an idea. And we took that slowly into conversion of the older ideas of how we approach markets. Technology was required to address the shorter cycles. Shorter cycles means everything which was happening over a period of time and which everybody got habituated to suddenly was not true anymore. So buy and hold, which was 10 years, that still continues today. But what PSUs did not deliver in 40 years, they now manage to deliver in 2 years. If you were habituated to just holding PSUs and taking dividends and looking at them as widow shares and all that kind of thing, then you got a huge surprise. You never thought Coal India could go up more than 5 rupees in a year. And the real story of Coal India, I am told by somebody I met recently, has not even begun. Now that may seem a little strange because it's already at 300-400 rupees and you're used to seeing Coal India at 100. And then here is somebody saying that the story may not even have begun. Then what? 4,000? But why not? Did you ever think Mazgaon Dock would be this and HAL would be where it is today? Where is the experience for the older people with new age companies? Who thought about Dixon technology? He said, वो क्या है? वो तो ब्रांडेड को सप्लाई करता है एसी मशीन. वो क्या रुपया बना लेगा? वो तो कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल वर्क है. बट मार्केट इज नॉट थिंकिंग लाइक दैट अबाउट डिक्सन. 4 फिगर हुआ, अभी 5 फिगर हुआ, एंड स्टिल डजंट वांट टू स्टॉप. MRF. In 1990, I have sold MRF at 90 rupees short and covered also. I don't remember loss or profit, but 90 रुपए में मैंने बेचा हुआ MRF ट्रेडिंग में, वायदे में था तभी. वो आज कितना हो गया? 1.5 लाख रुपया. एक शेयर लिया नहीं. That is a different issue by itself. But मेरी एक रिलेटिव थी, यंगस्टर, कुछ पैसा मिला था उसको, बोला क्या करे, सेफ इन्वेस्टमेंट करना है. तो I had bought 4 or 5 shares of MRF. This was at about 875 rupees along with some other shares. तो वो कुछ 1700 रुपया हो गया. तो उसका फादर देखा एक दिन उसका पोर्टफोलियो, बोले व्हाट आर यू डूइंग विद अ शेयर एट 1700 रुपीज? आर यू मैड? वी मस्ट नॉट बाई शेयर प्राइस सो हाई, सेल इट ऑफ इमीडिएटली. तो पिताजी का बात सुनना था, उसने बेच दिया 1700. So the point I'm trying to get across is we are all prisoners of our belief system, images. And that is why the SEBI data is showing that over 60 people are losing money because they have too many wrong beliefs, wrong images in their mind. And that is also the impact of fast changing times, the shrinking of time cycles. ये जो पुराना belief था ना, हीरो होंडा का वो लाइन, fill it, shut it, forget it. आपका बाइक दौड़ते ही रहेगा, दौड़ते ही रहेगा. ये होता है एक आध शेयर में. बट आपका fill it, shut it, forget it का सेंटिमेंट आज है क्या किसी का? ये तो लोग को अभी इन्वेस्ट किए तो वही चौथा दिन चले तो नहीं चले तो फोन आ जाता है. Your own mental cycle have become so short. It is because of the abundance, overabundance of information. पहला तो इंफॉर्मेशन था ही नहीं, तो साइकिल लंबी चलते थे, किसी को कोई आपत्ति नहीं थी उससे. जो इनसाइडर थे उसको पहला मिलता था, अपन सबको लास्ट में मिलता था. फिर भी चला, काम तो चल ही रहा था लोगों का. अब वहां पे इवेंट हुआ और इधर मालूम पड़ गया, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में आ गया. So see the delta between the event and its reaction to the event, which used to be weeks, months in the past, and we have grown up with that in the past, that it becomes very difficult to change. So we are used to that habit. We react slowly, we decide slowly. But market today has become so fast that it cannot give you the luxury of waiting to decide, then waiting to act, and then hoping to get your return over a certain period. And that is why today and moving forward, the need for technology is greater and greater and greater.